Has your iPhone got a cracked or broken screen? Need a fast repair or replacement? iTouch Repair, based in Arlington, Virginia, offers a range of screen repair and replacement services for iPhones and various electronics. Communication is a key part of human interaction, and quick access to cell phone repair services has become a necessity. iTouch Repair services offer quick, same-day solutions for cracked and broken screens on a wide range of cell phones, specializing in iPhones. The team begins their service by offering a technical analysis of your broken iPhone, taking the time to diagnose the problem before repair. Go to iTouchRepair.com to find out more.